Ito straight galing earphone. What you gon' say? Feel like money, cause I'm smoking all day. You know I'ma get that money in my own way. She know I'm a player but I don't play. Making moves, silent talking all day. Do it straight galing earphone. Yeah, you heard, purong blood, no excuses, all work. Pwede lang mamusga sa akin ay si God. You heard, tanong kung malaki ako dahil sa dubi deserve ba? I'ma talk my shit real kasi galing dirt. Di na ako tulad ng dati, what you know, no? I am still ghosting, sorry, what you know? Tell me, we keep it talking on me on the low. Namin, look, I'm humble lang kasi I'm grown. Namin, ba't daw ganito yung pantalon? What you mean? Ito'y straight galing earphone. Namin, yung motherfuckers better know. Namin, making money gamit lang tong phone. Namin, bitch, I make it look easy though. What you mean? I'm keeping it talking, you know I'm down with this shit. Fuck being famous, sorry, I just wanna be rich. More cheddar, more problema. Still I'm manimate. Pag nag-rap, elevate yung mga kill. Pag tunay na G, walang oras sa mga head. Di mo na ako kilala, baby, you out of date. Mabigat na value ko, alam mo heavyweight.
Patay. Reset mo pera, huwag na magkano.
Kasi dami nag-iinit. Tell me who the fuck is yan ako, but you don't know me. You won't see me in the street, pero you don't know me. I'm just living my life, but you talk about me. You ain't hearing on my player, you ain't really know me. You know who the fuck is yan ako, but you don't know me. You won't see me in the club, pero you don't
Sabi mo
know
kami
me.
maayos. Sabi mo kami. Isa. Ay, isa. Sabi, babarilin kita. Babarilin kita. Di mo ako
Apat.
Di mo ako.
We keep it talking on me on the low.
Going pre.
Look, I'm humble, I'm